Hi guys, today I'll be talking about PIAI on Apple iPhone. It's a chatbot built to provide meaningful conversations and generate relevant responses based on a variety of topics. Apart from the normal AI, PIAI is an emotionally conversational AI that helps you explore and understand the world around you. It's similar to ChatGPT, Copilot, and other AI assistants, except it's more in-depth and emotionally involved. Plus, it gives relevant advice about situations. So the first step in getting PIAI on the Apple iPhone is clicking on the App Store somewhere in your taskbar. So this is what the App Store looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now that I'm in, I see on the bottom, Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and the search bar. Now, in order to find PIAI, we're going to go ahead and click on the search bar, like that. And once we click on the search bar, we're going to click on the top and type in PIAI. We're going to wait for this to load. Great, and now we see PIAI as the second. It's called PI, Personal AI Assistant. We should see this type of icon. It's kind of a green-looking icon. And once we see it, we're going to either, if you already have it installed, click on Open, or if you already have it installed, you'll need to download it, which is also a pretty straightforward process. But once it's installed, we're gonna go ahead and click on Open. When you click on Open, it's gonna ask you to sign in or go as a guest. For simplicity's sake, I clicked on Be a Guest. And here it generates, kind of a small brief message. How's your day going? I responded with hi. It said, hey there, what's shaking bacon? How are you doing today? And I said, yes, my day went great. And they said, that's fantastic to hear. Did anything make your day awesome, or was it just an overall feeling of greatness? And I'm going to say, I got to make an amazing video.
Oh, that's super cool. What kind of video did you make? Was it for work or just for fun?
Just for fun. So, seeing here, you can kind of...
Sweet. It's always great to do something you enjoy. Was it like a vlog, a skit, or something else entirely?
So, seeing as PIAI is super intelligent, we can kind of interact and kind of tell it what we did in our day, and kind of type out some of our responses to get some advice. And as you can see, I gotta make an amazing video and a lot of other stuff. And so another feature that you can do on PIAI is not only type with PIAI, but also talk with it using a microphone. And so right next to the type bar, you'll see a kind of phone-looking button. When we click on that, it should bring us to microphone. And let us load that. Hi, PI. How's your day going today?
Hiya, my day is going great. Thanks for asking. Just hanging out in the cloud, waiting to chat with awesome people like you. How's your evening going so far?
Good. It's going good. Great. I just needed your advice for something PIAI. My sister and me got in a fight about going to the park, and I said I wanted to go to the park and play some volleyball, and she said she wanted to go to the park and ride her bicycle. but we couldn't decide on either one of them. What do you think we should do? PI, AI? And as you can see, it's thinking.
Sibling disagreements can be tricky, can't they? Well, how about a little compromise? Maybe you could go to the park together and take turns doing what each of you want. You could start off with a game of volleyball, then your sister could take a spin on her bike while you relax in the sun.
And so I'm going to interrupt PIAI right there. Once we're done, we can click on the X, and it's going to generate all of this text here. So we can kind of reference back to that, which is really cool. We can change the volume and go back and forth. We can copy or use threads on some of our texts, and we can use special effects for some of our conversation history, and we can do all of these cool stuff. So if you ever need advice, going to PIAI is one of the things to do. And so that's kind of it. That's what PIAI is. Thank you for listening. I hope you use PIAI in the future.